Memory Lane Dances to start off the first show of the evening. And now is a fine gentleman, a song for you, Mr. John Dentelon.
Saturday night is the loneliest night of the week, 'cause that's the night that my sweetie and I used to dance cheek to cheek. I don't mind Sunday night at all, 'cause that's the night friends come to call. And Monday to Friday go fast, and another week is past. But Saturday night is the loneliest night of the week. I sing a song that I sang of the memories I usually see, until I see you at my door, until you're in my arms once more. Saturday night is the loneliest night of the week. I miss the Saturday dance, heard the crowd at the floor, awfully different without you, don't get around much anymore. Thought I'd visit the club, got as far as the door, they'd have asked me about you, don't get around much anymore. Well, darling, I guess my mind's more at ease, but nevertheless, I stir up memories, been invited on dates, might have gone, but what for? Couldn't bear it without you, don't get around much anymore.